friends, welcome to our channel Kids and My Passion. Today we are going to see some fun activities for kids using water balls, or you can say water beads. Take a container filled with water, add some water beads. After 20 minutes, it expands. As it looks like colorful jelly, kids may feel like eating. So please be careful, they should not swallow it. Now let's start the activity. Crossing the snails. Take a cardboard box, stick clay randomly as shown in the video. Now kids need to take the water balls and they need to start from here. And the ball need to fall in the container.
So what are these? These are water balls. Now Aryan and Joe, now we are going to play one activity. Are you excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, let's play. Aryan and Joe, did you like this game?
Yes, ma'am.
How many points? Aryan got 3 points. Joe got 2 points. So Aryan is a winner of this game.
Yes.
Come on, let's move to another game.
Yes.
Next activity is by using blocks. I'll be taking the water balls and I'll be hiding in the block like this. Similarly, I'll be hiding it and I'll be giving to the kid. So the kids slowly they need to take the blocks and they need to put the balls in the container. So while doing this activity, a timer will be set for them. Aryan and Joe, now let's do second activity. Okay, so this is for Aryan and this is for Joe. So listen. Okay, I have hidden some water balls inside the blocks. Okay, so what you need to do? You need to collect the balls and you need to keep it in the container. Okay, now in this you need to keep the container. Okay, now I'll start the timer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Yes! Come on, let's start the game! Slowly you need to take, slowly. Put it in the container, Joe. make it fast. Come on, Jojo, make it fast. Okay, the timer is finished. Stop the game. Now let's start counting. Good. Both of them are the winners. Come on, give me a high five. Both are the winners. Joe, high five, please. Yes, good job, Aryan. Good job, Joe. Aryan, let's start the third activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the activity is you need to take the water balls of different colors. You need to connect the color balls, okay? Like blue color, pink, green, orange, like that. You need to color the balls. Are you ready, Aryan?
Yes.
Now I'll start the timer. Ready?
Yes.
Yes, now I'm going to start the timer. Ready? Yes, bit faster. Yes, you did it, Aryan. Very good. Your timer is not finished yet. Very good, Aryan. Aryan, did you like this? Aryan, did you like this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? You want to try it again?
Yes.
Very good. Joe, are you ready for another activity?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So, I will be hiding these glass chips inside this. You need to find it out, okay? And the timer will be running. You need to collect it very fast, okay? Not now. Let me set the timer. Wait. Let me hide. Joe, let me hide the things. Let me hide it, okay? See how I'm going to hide it. I'll be hiding inside, okay? So, you need to collect all the chips, okay? Are you ready? Understood?
Yes.
Let's start. Yes, come on, your timer is going to set now. Yes. Collect it, keep it here. Come on, going. Very good. See, there are more. Yes, very good. See. Very good, yes. Still there anything? Can you find anything more? Yes, very good. Finish? See. Good, very good. Joe, very good, Joe. That's it. Very good, Joe. You did a good job. Come on, high five, Joe. Okay. Joe, you want to play again? Yes? Say yes loudly.
Yes.
Come on, let's start again. I will hide it again for you. Okay, wait. Kids, are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
Okay, next activity is you need to color the water balls. Okay?
Okay.
How you need to color it? Not like this. There is a magic now. I am using the shaving cream. Okay? So I'll be putting over here. I'll be covering. Okay? Now I'll be mixing it. Oh, wait. I'll mix it. You need to collect the balls from it. So now you need to collect the water balls from it. Okay, now I'll start the timer for you. Come on, start. Joe, water balls, you need to put it over here. Collect it, make it fast. Yes. Not the foam, you need to color the water balls. Color the water balls. Very good. Keep going, only the water balls, you need to collect it. How is it, Kate? Nice. Joe, how is it? Nice, you liked it? Come on. Collect it. Yes, very good, yes. Make it fast. You need to collect the water balls. The timer is going to end. Make it fast. Okay. Finish. You liked it? Yay! Joe, you liked it? Yes, the timer is completed. Stop playing. Yay!
Here is a tip for you all. After completing the activity, you can make your kids to do this. If you like watching this video, please do like and share your comments. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.